Hi there guys, this is the Average Joe. As I've told you in a previous video, this last few days I've been in self-isolation and just as I mentioned in a previous video, one of the things I got to do while in self-isolation was to do a bit of leather working. I always wanted to do that. So today I'm going to share with you a very simple leatherworking project, namely making a small leather cable organizer. So for this project we're only going to use hand tools, very simple, very cheap hand tools. I believe that the tools I used, if you put them together, won't cost you more than probably $10, and most of them, everybody has them. So yeah, let's start it. So guys, we're just going to make a simple leather cable organizer. For this, we're only going to use very simple tools. I'm in isolation. I have nothing special. First thing we're going to use, scrap piece of leather. Second thing we're going to use, a box cutter. Third thing we're going to use, a snap cap. Fourth thing we're going to use, the tools that came with the snap cap in the set. Bought it from an ordinary hardware store. The next thing we're going to use, metal ruler. One more thing we're going to need is a mallet. Now guys, this is everything you're going to need for this particular job. You can do a simple cable organizer with just this, but I am going to use one more thing just for marking, and that thing is an owl. Most of the things here everybody's going to have laying around the house. You can do without the owl, and you have to get snap caps and the snap cap tool. Everything else you're probably just going to have around the house. You could actually do it with a plastic ruler, but you'd probably cut into it. One thing I haven't said anything about is having something to cut on and to make holes on. I'm just going to use this scrap piece of wood. I've put some adhesive legs on it, and as you can see, I've used it just for this. Now let's start making the design. We have marked the design on the scrap piece of leather. Now let's start cutting. Now, this is the basic design, but it would look a whole lot nicer with some rounded corners. This is not a good tool. Now, let's put the snap cap on. I lost something, guys. I'm just going to be right back. So, I found all the pieces of the snap cap, so we can go now back to work. First of all, at least I want the shiny part to be the outside. So, let's start with the top part of my snap cap. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me making this small little cable organizer. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you next time.